This absolutely stunning ring set is one of my new designs in the shop. In this one I put larger diamonds than some of the other ring sets that I have in hopes to give you a variety of choices. This one has a beautiful top rare gem grade natural solid Ethiopian white opal, and you do have your choice of opal, but I want to talk about the Ethiopian opals for a moment. The Ethiopian white opals are so beautiful because I have them mined for me from the superior rough, that is the opal stone in its rough form that is the highest grade, and that's why mine have so much color and fire. These Ethiopian white opals can range from clear to a very colorful one like this one with green fire and yellow fire and orange fire, just like a sunset in Hawaii. I love the Ethiopian white opals. They were just discovered in 2008, and they're a relatively new opal on the market for white opal. And they are just incredible. They also are a little more durable than the Australian white opal, for example. They did a drop test. Somebody did a drop test and they dropped a ring with a Ethiopian opal and the same ring with a white Australian opal from waist height to the ground, and the one with the Ethiopian opal withstood the drop test, whereas the Australian white opal did not. So it is a really, really good attribute that it is a more stable opal. And they're so stunning. They have so much color. And that is because these are the top rare gem grade that I have cut for me and that I purchase. I have my opal cutter from Ethiopia fly all the way out to my studio a couple times a year. And he brings me the opals he's cut for me, which I look at under magnification to make sure that they are flawless. It is really important that your opal is flawless. It doesn't have any interior little microscopic cracks or anything, that they've been inspected under a jeweler's loupe so that you can see, because if it has a little crack in it that you can't see with the naked eye, then if you whack your hand on something hard like cement or metal, you can break your opal more easily. You can always break your opal if you whack it really, really hard, but you're less apt to if you have a gem grade high quality opal like this one. So that's all I buy. I buy gem grade Ethiopian opals, and you can see more of the white Ethiopian opals in my Opal Choices section. It says down in the listing a little bit further, it says Opal Choices Videos, and you can choose your own opal for this ring. This is a 9x7mm opal, so make sure you're looking at the correct opal size, as I have a lot of opals listed there. And you can choose a solid white Ethiopian opal like this one, or a solid white Australian opal, or a solid black Ethiopian opal, or a solid black Australian opal. And I have the highest grades available. And you even have your choice of a natural Australian opal triplet. Now an opal triplet, you'll see them throughout my shop, is a slice of natural Australian opal sandwiched between black glass and a crystal cap. And the reason for that is to protect your opal. So if you're somebody who loves to go skiing and wants to wear your diamond and opal engagement ring while you're playing sports, you might consider getting a triplet because it has that crystal cap that will protect your opal. But these opals are pretty stable since they are gem grade and in perfectly clear condition with no microscopic cracks. So it's your best bet that they won't break, and you'll have a few chances to whack your hand, and only if you really smash it hard will you break your opal. Now, of course, if you ever do break it, I'll just replace it with an opal of your choice for as close to wholesale as I can. So enjoy wearing your opal engagement and wedding ring. I want you to wear it every day comfortably and not worry too much about it. When I was getting married, I tried to find a jeweler who would make me an opal engagement ring and wedding set, and I couldn't. They all said, opals are too soft, you can't do that for a wedding or engagement ring. So now, of course, I specialize in that because I couldn't find it before I was a jeweler. And And you don't worry too much about breaking your opal. There are a lot of reasons that these are superior opals and that they'll be pretty durable. I use only the finest diamonds for my work. These are SI1 diamonds with a GH color, and they are the best bang for your buck. They only have a slight inclusion that's not seen by the naked eye, that's SI, and they absolutely reflect brilliantly with the light when you walk into different rooms. A beautiful, beautiful diamonds that I get. I can make this ring for you in yellow gold, white gold, or rose gold. So you have a lot of choices. You have your opal choice of a white or black Ethiopian opal, a white or black solid Australian opal, or a natural Australian opal triplet. And you have your choice in metal, yellow gold, white gold, or rose gold. This one is white gold, and I am happy to help you if you have any questions at all. And if you want me to call you back, just leave me your phone number and I'll call you back. Write me a note, tell me what you think, and if you have any trouble finding the opals available for this ring, I will direct you to the right place. This is a made-to-order item, meaning it takes me 3 weeks to make this ring. Right after you order it, I have to cast it and then make the ring and set the diamonds. Takes 3 weeks. But if you are in a hurry and you want to buy a ring right away that's shipped out right away, go to my ready to ship department. There is a ready to ship section in the shop, and look down in the descriptive area of this listing and you'll see where there's a link, and that link is to a whole tray of 72 Ethiopian opal rings available right away, and maybe you'll find something there that you would like that I can ship out right away. I can size anything from that tray, so take a look at those and let me know if you find anything that you like there. They're all numbered, so you can look at it by number. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to chat, and I'm going to let this come around one more time. You're welcome to buy the engagement ring by itself. You don't have to buy it with the stacking matching wedding band. You can buy the stacking matching wedding band later if she decides that she wants it, and just buy the engagement ring now. So you have your choice with that. Thanks for watching.